Let's track this from the beginning.
What is the measure of a man?
Is it better to be feared or respected? I say, is it too much to ask for both? I'm just not the hero type, clearly.
What makes a man be remembered? Is it determined by the faults and accomplishments throughout his life?
I'm the best.
Or does it all just boil down to the last thing he ever did?
Stark, you know that's a one-way trip.
You experience things, and then they're over, and you still can't explain them. Gods, aliens, other dimensions. I'm just a man in a can. The threat is imminent, and I have to protect the one thing that I can't live without. That's you.
In this lifetime, so much can be done. So many things are possible.
You're gonna kill yourself, Tony. I'm not gonna be a part of it.
I shouldn't be alive.
But in the end, it's not what others think of you.
Unless it was for a reason.
You're not the guy to make the sacrifice play, to lay down on a wire and let the other guy crawl over you.
It's how you thought of yourself.
And I'm the man who killed the Avengers. It wasn't a nightmare, it was my legacy. The end of the path I started us on.
When you lie there on your deathbed, what are you truly going to care about? All the time wasted trying to make others view you as the king of your generation? Or all the things that made you happy?
Banner and I were doing research.
That would affect the team.
That would end the team. Isn't that the mission? Isn't that the why we fight? So we can end the fight? So we get to go home?
Is it worth all the time spent trying to prove a point by trying to do something others said you couldn't?
You think you fight for us?
The only thing you really fight for is yourself.
Or was it worth it to do what made you happy?
Last night, I dreamt. We had a kid. Oh, Mr. Parker. It was so real.
Under no circumstances can we bring the time stone to Thanos.
It's dark.
You know me?
I do.
Did you try and be a saint for fear of what a vengeful God might do to you if you weren't?
I don't think you quite understand what's at stake here.
It's you who doesn't understand that Thanos has been inside my head for 6 years, since he sent an army to New York, and now he's back. And I don't know what to do.
You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
My only curse is you.
Or did you live life as you pleased by denying the chance of a reward of your efforts in the end?
You know, if this works, you maybe don't walk away.
What do you remember about your dad, huh? He was cold, he was calculating. He never told me he loved me, he never even told me he liked me. So it's a little tough for me to digest when you're telling me he said the whole future was riding on me and he's passing it down. I don't get that.
Do you know that I was the only one who believed in you? Everyone else said I was crazy to recruit a 14-year-old kid.
But one day you'll figure this out. And when you do, you will change the world.
He's my friend. So was I. What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died,
I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to.
Don't waste your life.
Jarvis,
Hello, sir.
turn on the camera.
It's already on.
Okay. Now turn on the mic.
Yes, sir. Mic is on.
So now start telecasting.
Telecasting now.
So that's all about our today's video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get instant notifications. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart. Jarvis,
Yes, sir.
now turn off the camera.
Okay, sir. Doing it now. Disconnected.
And so, my journey had reached its end. I am Iron Man. I love you 3000.